know you can build a chat GPT that knows everything about your favorite niche or hobby, or one who's an expert in your business field, all without writing a single line of code? Are you ready to challenge the idea that advanced AI is only for tech wizards and coding gurus? Today, we're tearing down that misconception and exploring a world where anyone can be an AI creator. In this video, we're unpacking the latest and most exciting developments from OpenAI. Get ready for a deep dive into the newest GPT updates, from a revolutionary AI app store to an incredible opportunity for monetization, all designed with simplicity in mind. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how easy it is to create your own custom GPTs using the newest ChatGPT update. Let's kick off with GPT-4 Turbo. Imagine processing over 300 pages of text in a single prompt. That's the kind of power we're looking at. Whether it's generating captions, analyzing images, or integrating DALL-E 3 for image creation. But the real game changer is the GPT store. Imagine an app store, but for AI. You may want to create custom GPTs tailored to specific tasks. OpenAI has made it incredibly easy, with no coding language, just plain English. All right, let's get into the exciting part. Creating your very own custom GPT. I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, and it's easier than you might think. So let's get started, and by the end of this, you'll have your AI up and running. First up, sign into your ChatGPT account. To access these new features, you're going to need to be a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise account user. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your control center for everything ChatGPT. There, you'll notice the model dropdowns have moved to the sidebar. To access the GPT's features, simply open the sidebar and click on Explore. Here, you can create your own GPTs or explore others created by the community. Take a moment to explore the default GPTs. You'll find a variety of them, each with its own specialty. From creative writing coach to data analysis tools, these GPTs demonstrate the versatility and power of AI. Notice how each GPT is tailored to specific tasks, and see how they interact with different prompts. So let's begin by selecting the option Create a GPT to initiate the process of building a custom GPT. In the GPT Builder, you'll see a split-screen layout. The Create panel on the left serves as the input area for your prompts, enabling the build of your GPT chatbot, while the Preview panel on the right allows you to interact with your chatbot in real time, making it easy to refine its functionality. Next, enter your instructions within the message box on the Create page, and then simply press Enter to proceed. Based on your instructions, the GPT Builder will suggest several options, such as a name for the chatbot, a profile picture, and a default conversation. You have the option to accept the initial suggestions or request the GPT Builder to make modifications. If you choose to accept the initial suggestions, you can still modify them at any point in the future. Once you've finished any changes, the GPT Builder will ask you to input more specific instructions in order to customize the behavior of your chatbot. Not sure how to modify your chatbot's behavior? That's perfectly fine. I suggest testing it out in the Preview panel and interacting with it as you normally would. This will allow you to gauge its responses and make informed modifications. For example, if your chatbot tends to provide lengthy answers, you can ask the Builder to keep them brief. Keep improving your prompts until your chatbot starts generating the responses that you want. After completing the initial setup, you can proceed to personalize your GPT even more by making use of advanced settings. You can do this by clicking on the Configure tab to change your chatbot's name and description. If you want to change your profile picture, click on it and you can upload your own photo. You can also utilize the built-in DALL-E 3 to automatically generate a brand new image. If you have a particular image in mind that you want DALL-E 3 to create, click on the Create option and provide your instructions. Next, you can modify the instructions created by the GPT Builder, or add more instructions or rules on what actions your chatbot should or should not take. There are also conversation starters. You can remove any prompt by clicking on the X next to it and enter a new prompt in an empty conversation starters field. Uploading documents, PDFs, or links is essential. It allows the GPT to have a reference point and broadens its knowledge base. This becomes crucial when developing a GPT with specialized or niche knowledge. By clicking on the Upload Files option, you can easily add any files that are relevant for reference. The default settings of the chatbot allow it to browse the web and generate AI-generated images. However, if you want it to perform tasks like running code or analyzing data, you can easily enable the Code Interpreter feature. To enable your chatbot to access external information or perform tasks beyond the ChatGPT platform, simply click on the option labeled Add Actions. This will allow you to define the specific ways in which your chatbot can utilize third-party APIs. Once you have made your selection, click on Confirm. To keep your GPT, simply click on the Save button at the top right of the screen once you are satisfied. You can select the individuals you want to share your GPT with, either only me, only people with a link, or make it public. The ChatGPT and any GPTs you have customized will be displayed on the ChatGPT homepage's side panel. Now click the GPT you want to use and interact with it the way you usually would. And that, my friends, wraps up our deep dive into creating your very own custom ChatGPT with OpenAI's GPT Builder. The ability to build custom ChatGPT models presents a remarkable opportunity for both personal and professional use. Whether it's creating a chatbot for fun facts or integrating AI into workflow automation, the GPT Builder offers an intuitive and accessible platform for customization. However, it's important to note that the GPT Builder is still in beta, and users should verify the accuracy of the responses from their custom GPTs. So if you do create your own GPT, I'd love to hear about it. Share your experiences and ideas in the comments below. I'll also leave a link to the GPT I built in the description, so give it a try. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more content like this and ring that bell to stay updated on all our latest uploads. Until next time, remember to turn insights into action. That's the Smart Income 360 way.